Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It is so good to have you here. Today I am bringing you along with us to our first trip to Pittsburgh this summer. We had such a great time and I can't wait to share with you, so make sure to stick around and watch.
What are you eating, Noah? Whopper. Ooh, look, a big kid eating a big burger.
So for this trip, Sean and I had agreed beforehand that making a trip into a nearby city like Pittsburgh, since we live so close by, would count as a staycation situation. And for this particular trip, we decided to go back to the exact same hotel that we actually stayed when we first got married. So we got a lot of flashbacks and a lot of nice, memorable moments. Such a good experience staying here. This was the first time since 2019 since our family had actually stayed at a hotel. So it was so much fun. The kids were so excited. And we took this trip right after July 4th. There were only a couple of people staying at the hotel, so we pretty much had the whole hotel to ourselves. It was pretty cool.
During our honeymoon. Remember that? They actually have pictures down there. We're getting like the whole pool to ourselves.
After our fun time in the pool, we all got a little bit of the munchies. We all wanted some sort of a dessert, so I ended up running across the street to the convenience store and grabbing everybody a nice sweet treat for us to eat as we, of course, watch Star Wars.
It's chocolate.
It's chocolate. You gonna try it? Start with you first. Noah and I are headed down to breakfast. The best meal of the day. Yeah, he just woke up.
It is so convenient to stay at a hotel that offers breakfast, especially when you are traveling with kids. And in this particular case, it was so stocked up and there was nobody but us there, which made it super awesome. So we needed to make sure that these kids got some nice energy and nutrition so they could enjoy their full day at the zoo.
This is what Noah got for him and Maymay. He's super happy. This is for Noah and Maymay as well. So they look pretty hungry.
Next, we were off to the Pittsburgh Zoo and PPG Aquarium, and we were so excited. We actually stayed in Neville Island at the Fairfield Inn, and then we drove to the zoo, and it was such a beautiful drive. We got to see the city skyline, and of course, ride on the many bridges that there are in Pittsburgh. This was actually our very first time going to this particular zoo. We're used to our small zoo here in Erie, so going here was definitely a fun experience. When you first go through the ticket booths, they give you three options. You can either take the trail, you can go up these super steep escalators, or you can take the elevator up. We took the escalator option and it was actually a very fun experience. I've never seen this at a zoo.
And
there and I was more risky dying. So I just grabbed that right away.
All right, hand sanitize, everyone. Hand sanitize. I mean, can you imagine if one person falls?
Well, it's just so bizarre.
They sound like ducks. I've never heard flamingos before.
Yeah. You see it?
Oh, there he is! Hi, Rhino! A Galapagos tortoise. Oh, look how he stretches his neck up. Look at these! Oh my goodness! These are so cool. It's stretching. Look, it's showing what's underneath all that fur.
Big ears? Big ears like mama? Is that a big?
I wanted to go.
Oh man, that's a huge catfish.
Lake sturgeon? Is that what it is?
I think that's a catfish, isn't it?
Sturgeon.
Oh, a lake sturgeon. I'm sorry.
Oh my god. Yeah. Isn't that tough?
So, this aquarium right here is the sole reason why we came to the zoo. Because Sean wants to go see fish and he is really interested in aquariums. So, there we are. He's trying to persuade me to get this ginormous fish tank. And it's not gonna work, but I'll enjoy the fish while we're here and I'll see them and I'll watch them and be excited with the kids.
I'm walking through the zoo and I'm seeing all of these amazing creatures. My mind thinks to the Bible in Job 12, verses 7 through 10, where it says, "But ask the animals and they will teach you, or the birds in the sky and they will tell you, or speak to the earth and it will teach you, or let the fish in the sea inform you. Which of all these does not know that the hand of the Lord has done this? In his hand is the life of every creature and the breath of all mankind."
Tiger ray.
Apparently it was identified by science in 2011.
Huh?
It's very
Oh, really? They just found us? Oh my goodness. We had one of those.
We have that.
They do get so big.
That's just ridiculous.
They don't sell them at the pet shops anymore. They just grow and grow and grow. Pacus. And we used to call him Mr. Pacus.
Look at that face of that.
Do you remember when we got him, Sean? He was like this big. Look how close we are to the peacock. I could almost touch it. I'm not going to touch it though because I'm afraid it's going to get angry at me. Oh, here it comes. It's coming towards us, guys. What are we going to do? Oh. I mean, I've never been this close to a peacock before. Look at that. It is so cool. This is after we're done. Dad is carrying both of them.
Turn the wall.
This is ridiculous. Super Dad.
Where's my thank you? I just carried you like two.
So we're going down the scary steps now again. Here we go. The steep down. You know, the good thing of this is at least we don't have to walk up the steps. It's an automatic escalator type of thing. And of course, a trip to Pittsburgh is just not the same without a pit stop at IKEA, one of our favorite stores. Here we go, we're gonna eat something in there and then we're going to peruse and buy some stuff. This is funny and cool. They screwed him up. Remember like the movie?
So before we went through IKEA and we shopped, we had to get our bellies full with a nice yummy lunch from IKEA. If you've never been to IKEA, it is so awesome. You first walk through the showroom and they show you all the nice little setup rooms and you see them and you're like, ooh, I like that. I want that. I can have that. And after you're done with that, you walk into where everything is at. They have the kitchen stuff, they have the bathroom stuff, they have the bedroom stuff. So anything that you saw upstairs that you like, you will find down here and more. I mean, literally anything that you need, it will be here. It's like the one store that has everything. And then after you're done there, then they have the warehouse for the big furniture. Like if you saw a piece of furniture upstairs, you look at the tag, it'll tell you exactly where it's at, and it comes all compact in these boxes that then you will have to take home and assemble.
I mean, a trip to Pittsburgh for us is just not complete unless we make a stop at IKEA. And we did, and we were so happy with what we got.
Yeah.
I didn't find the cowhide that I wanted, but it's okay. I'll come back whenever, next year. But everyone got one item that they wanted.
Yeah.
So
Mine up here right now.
Noah got with his $10.
10 of these things.
10 hearts. Look how happy he is.
I know you.
Mamie got with her $10. What did you get? Play food? Oh, fun. Ready?
Oh, why do you do that?
Hand sanitizer.
This was such an awesome, wonderful, memorable experience for our family. We absolutely enjoyed this. And even though it was so close by and it was just a one-night thing, it was amazing. We felt like we had gone to such a faraway place. Thank you so much for coming along with us and watching. And please remember to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.